Colleagues, today we're going to go through the Google Classroom that is here that we have for the geography teachers. So by now all of us would be in the group as shown here. So if we go to classwork, you're going to see that the materials have been updated in a more organized fashion. So we have first form geography, second form, third form, fourth form, fifth form, and we have map reading resources, SB resources, and past paper questions that would have been added by Miss Edgil, and we're expected to add some more to that. And finally, some other resources that would not be related to teaching. So what's the purpose of this? The purpose of this is, one, to organize the materials that we have, and two, to have a bank of resources for all the year groups, right? So this should make our life easier as teachers to have the resources here, right? So that we can be able to teach a given topic. So whenever you're going to be adding any material, so like a PowerPoint or any form of resource, you go to create, and then you're gonna go to material, you type in the name of the topic so that we can know what topic that is all about. And then we go to the topic section here, and you will select the year group that you're in charge of, that you're going to be uploading the material for, right? And then you will post. The reason for this is that it will reduce the constant sending of resources via email from a year-to-year basis, like over and over again. So instead of doing that, we have our Google Classroom where we just upload all the materials that are related to the topic that we teach, and then all you would do is just send the lesson plans to me, and that will be it. So instead of sending your lesson plan with your PowerPoint and your resources, you just simply send a lesson plan only to me and the other teachers that you're working with. And then now you just upload the PowerPoint, the materials, all that is necessary for that lesson on the Google Classroom. So that at the end of the day, we can have a bank of resources for all the year groups moving forward. So we're going to be using Google Classroom for that. And in addition to that, it reduces the spacing on your device, because remember that every year when you get like a PowerPoint from like second form and then third form and then fourth form, it's basically the same PowerPoint that you'll be having for like 2, 3, 4 years. So it would make sense that we just upload everything here, so that once you need to go to a PowerPoint, you just click on it and you just use it to teach your lesson. Or if you want to use any resource from it, you can use them. So going forward, we're going to be using this to help us in terms of having a bank of resources.